All right, today I'm going to answer the question, how much does liability insurance cost for a daycare? And I'm going to answer it, but not answer it. Basically, what I'm going to walk you through are the factors that impact your liability insurance premiums. Most insurance companies, what they look at are a combination of these factors. It's one, how much are you licensed for as a child care center? If you are licensed for 150 kids, in theory, you're a larger organization than one that is licensed for 50. But you're going to start arguing with me, and I know you're going to start arguing with me because there's a second factor, and that second factor is average daily attendance. Because you can have two centers or schools that are licensed for 150. One's doing great and is booked to the gills and doesn't have enough room for all the kids, and another is really struggling and has 50 showing up. The average daily attendance does have a factor. So keep that in mind. It also matters the age breakdown of your kids. As you're well aware of as a daycare owner, infants have stricter ratio requirements. So if you're working with younger kids, insurance companies do look at that. They look at how many infants you have versus are they 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds, 4-year-olds before and after school. There's also different licensing requirements. So they do look at those things as part of building your rates. So make sure that when you're submitting applications or working with an insurance broker to submit those applications, that you're getting those numbers correct. And lastly, an important factor would be the insurance coverages you end up choosing. If you don't buy any coverage, it won't cost much. It's also not going to pay for anything when you need it. And you're going to end up paying for attorneys when you didn't mean to. And nobody likes that. So the key coverages that you're going to be looking at are going to be general liability, which is bodily injury and property damage. Professional liability, which is lack of supervision. Kid walks into the street when you're supposed to have an eye on them. And third, abuse and molestation coverage, which is going to be physical or sexual abuse with a child. So depending on which coverage limits you choose on those key coverages, it's going to impact how much you pay. All right, I'm Daryl Henry with Bittner Henry Insurance Group, and we serve those who serve others.